Do you find that the Logitech C920 is not giving you quite the image quality that you were thinking it would? Well, stay tuned because in this video I'm going to show you how you can tweak the settings and get a better quality image. Hi, Demelza Murray here with Creative Online Courses, and on this channel I guide you through tips and tutorials to crush it with visual media and produce your online courses like a boss. I also go behind the scenes with a vlog of what it's like to be a mum entrepreneur, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction, you may have a Logitech C920 and you're not that happy with the image quality. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how you can tweak the settings and get the image quality that you would like. Okay, so let's have a look at the Logitech camera settings. So this is an app that you can download from the App Store. It's for free. So just go look for it, Logitech camera settings. And once you download that, it will come up with this window right here. And actually it comes up with, I guess it's a warning thing, warning message, basically saying that it needs to run consistently in the background for it to actually be useful. So basically, if I turn this off, it will no longer actually apply to the camera. So that kind of makes sense. I just always accept it and it's absolutely fine. So looking here, it comes up with webcam control. What you want to do probably, you've got autofocus here, but if you're finding problems with it focusing, you can adjust that. And if I go to advanced settings, this is probably where you're going to want to make adjustments if you need to. So here, it's set to 50.20% as a default. Most likely that's going to work for you, but if it isn't, you can just adjust this up and down. So if you want to increase the brightness, you can see on the screen here that my brightness is increased. Likewise, if I take it down. So if you are finding that the camera isn't making those adjustments itself, then you can do that. Same with contrast, you can take the contrast down, it'll be less contrasty, or up the top it will be more contrasty. And again, color intensity, this will be more black and white, and this will give you a lot more color. So my color will really pop. You are probably going to want to keep the settings much like this. White balance is auto, but you can turn it off auto if you prefer. So if you find that your image is looking more blue, then you can take it up here and it will have a warmer tone to it. So this would look more like it would look with indoor lighting or tungsten lighting. If you're wanting something cooler, more daylight tone, it will bring it down to in this range. Now this is too blue, so this is obviously too much, but if you bring it up here, it should balance out correctly. So right now I've got a ring light in front of me and it is a daylight setting, so it's 55K. If you don't know what that is, I will be doing another video on that, so you can check that out. But basically it's daylight settings. So right now, whatever it was on auto should be fine, just a little bit below that. So just looking at that, yeah. So it looks alright on my screen. I don't know how it's looking on the final screen at the moment, but anyway, point is you can adjust those settings right here, and hopefully that will give you the better image quality that you are looking for. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you in getting a better image quality for your camera. Let me know in the comment section below what was particularly helpful for you, if anything. And don't forget to check out the other videos in this series as we look at webcam tips in general, because it's not just the technical side of things, it's also a lot of other things that make your image look great. So check out that video coming up tomorrow, or if it's already out, you can check it out right now. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more tips and tutorials on visual media or building online courses and tutorials, or what it's like behind the scenes of a mum building a business, then please hit that subscribe button. And there's a couple more videos you can watch right here. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and we will talk soon.